Good day mga kayots! Ayan, nagbabalik ulit ang inyong Mami Rosa at inyong Mami Rosa ay meron ng maikling buhok. Ayan. So for today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how to make the elderberry juice. So the juice is from the elderberry flower. So this is the elderberry flower. So I took it from the forest while I'm walking up in the hill, up in the mountain in the back of our house. So samahan nyo ako. Let's prepare it. We will make a elderberry syrup. Yun. To make it a juice. Okay, so let's go. Guys, we already done cleaning it. So now what we will do, we're gonna slice a lemon and put on top of it, and then we're gonna add water. Ayun. So let's do it. So there guys, we already put the sliced lemon on top. So now we're gonna put a water. So I put lukewarm water. This is 1 liter. So we're gonna put like, because the flour is not that much. So maybe we're gonna put only 2.5 liters. After that, we need to cover it. We need to cover it and set aside for 24 to 30 hours. So balikan natin yan bukas. Okay?
3,000 years later.
So here is it guys after 30 hours. So ito na yung ating binabad na flour. So we will just salain lang natin siya para matanggalin yung mga flowers, okay? And then we're gonna make it a syrup after. So now guys, we're gonna put 1 kilograms of sugar. So 2 kilograms sana ang ilalagay. Kaso, ayoko nang masyadong matamis na syrup. So 1 kilogram and then, hindi ko muna nilagay lahat. So yan na muna. And then lagyan natin ng lemon squeeze. Ay, hala. Sandali. In a medium heat. Now, let's have a little liquid. Okay. So let's just simmer this until it caramelizes, and then we're gonna put the water from the flour. While stirring, we will put now our powdered citrus. It's 2 teaspoons of powdered citrus for the 2.5 liters of juice. So, the purpose of this, guys, para mag-lighten yung color ng ating syrup. So, okay. Like that. Natin ng water. Okay. So, continue stirring until the sugar melts. So, simmer lang to siya, guys. Simmer. So, okay. So, while continue simmering it, we will prepare our bottle. We will preheat our bottle in the oven para wala talagang bacteria na matira sa oven, sa bottle na paglalagyan natin ng syrup na to. Ayan. Okay.
A few minutes later.
So we're gonna put it down in the bottle. I don't have a panel, so I'm gonna just use this one, transfer it here, and then put it in the bottle. So our bottle is already preheated. Okay, that's 1 liter. Now let's get the cover and close it. It's hot. And then the other one. That's 2 liters. And then the half. Oh, it's more than half. Okay. So this is our syrup now. So we will just cool it down before we're gonna put it in the fridge. So that, guys, thanks for watching for my simple making of the syrup. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you are not subscribed yet, and please click on the notification bell. See you on my next vlog.
Thanks for watching mga kayos. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, hit the like button and notification bell. And for more videos, just click on the boxes on the right. See you in my next vlog. Bye!